Say it with me, for we walk by faith, not by sight.
Hey guys, John with Cheap Old Cars and Culture. Yeah, I'm wearing a bit of ostentatious sunglasses, that's fine. We're out here in the blue Bullitt. We are up at the overlook north of Turner Bend on the pig trail, and it's real pretty, and I'm going to show you guys how pretty it is. Let's zoom in a little bit. Right there. Kind of just look around. See a good long ways here. It's pretty, it's a pretty view, but I want to go to a curvier road. We'll run back down, go a decent clip. I'm going to take 215 over near O-Ark, and then from there take a curvier road back south. Pig Trail's not, it's not super curvy, but we'll take a more fun curvy road that I like back south down towards Ozark. Let's get back to driving. That's what I want to do. I came up here and filmed yesterday. Did a big old long drive, tons of talking, only to get home and realize that my audio was not working. So unfortunate. Corvette just went by, but it was a convertible 0506 somewhere in there, C6. I also ran into another problem yesterday of overheating my rear brakes, and that's not great. Now that Corvette, he seemed like he was cruising, but he might have been going a little harder on this section. I kind of want to catch him. Almost down to the switchback section. On the brakes. Bit of heel and toe. Caught the Corvette. Leave it in third here. Back on the brakes. I can feel my rear starting to do some weird stuff. I'm going to cut a lot of the straight sections out. I just want to show you guys these roads. These roads are so good. Oh, he's taking that way too. Be funny if we were behind him the whole time. All I'm going to say is, I know that guy's not pushing it. I know that car's capable of way more, but I'm telling you guys, these Mustangs ain't bad. Now you got to drive them smooth. You got to be on brake before your corner in the gear. You can be on power through the corner, okay? I'm not even trail braking. I'm not even trail braking into these corners. I'm down to my speed I want to be before the corner. You know why? Because that's going to give me the better chance of not being sideways and doing something stupid. There, you know, that one company or that one YouTube channel that put out the video of the snap oversteer. They just recently did one on Mustangs, or did a video on Mustangs and why it's the driver. And I've always thought that. Now, yeah, a solid rear axle on a bump mid-corner, you can definitely lose rear traction. It's not a great thing. But if you know what you're doing and how to handle it, you're not already pushing to the limits of your tires, which you shouldn't be on the road anyway, then it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm having a good time. My seats are holding me in place. We're just cruising through these corners. I'm giving him a respectable distance. This is fun. Now, would I be going a little faster? Sure. Sure, I would be, because it's fun for video, right? This is a good drive though. Look at this beautiful road, guys. Look at this old rock wall on the right side. Absolutely beautiful. There's still some pretty trees, although we're kind of past peak colors. At sane speeds, he would be hard-pressed to get away from me on this road. And I know that's a bold statement, but you're only going to go so fast. I mean, people that do 120 something on these roads are just crazy. I love this little section right here. This is so pretty. I hope he's in there telling his wife, I could go a lot faster, but I'm just trying to be out here for a cruise and be comfortable with you. Looks like he's going that way. I'm going this way. I'm going to cut a lot of stuff out, guys. I got behind a truck and a trailer, and it was extraordinarily slow. And so drove up the hill a ways, got to a place where I could turn around, and now we're going to run back down this hill here at a little better speed. I do have to keep in mind that my rear brakes do overheat, so not too crazy. Little bumpy, but there's a couple sections on this road that are just like real nice and curvy. Oof, alrighty. What is that noise? Get in your lane. People frustrate me. Blind corner in the oncoming lane. Silliness is what that is. Oh, I'm in the wrong gear. There we go. I gotta keep it in check though, because I am coming downhill, so almost every corner I enter is down, right? And that's gonna really warm up the brakes. Honestly, this is not a horrible place to turn around either. All right. Okay, now we'll run back up and over the top. I don't think I'll catch any of those cars I met a bit ago. Definitely more traffic out here today than it was yesterday. On the brake. Find third before the corner, guys. Okay, there was some bumps on the inside right there, and they could have upset the car, but guess what? I knew they were there, I was ready for them, and I wasn't going crazy. Just in the downshift, I lost enough speed for the corner. I like this little section right here. They can go kind of a little speedy through it. I'm sorry, no one is going to tell me that this thing doesn't handle good. I don't care. I've never driven an E46 M3. Have driven a Corvette now. I'd like to drive more Corvettes. I'd like to experience the turn-in of a C8 because they're supposed to have really great turn-in. This car handles good. Maybe not great. Maybe not, you know, world-class or anything, but it's not bad. It's good. I don't know the road super well, so I'm not pushing real hard. It was just under 40 there for that section. Just under 40 for that corner too. Definitely could go faster. But again, I don't know the road. I don't know where the bumps are. So I'm not trying to go crazy, but man, this is fun. Left it in third because there was another corner coming up. Oh yeah, this is great. some bumps here. I can see them in the road, so I'm ready to, you know, do not counter steer, but just kind of straighten out the car if I need to. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff, guys. Ears popped. We just climbed about 1,000 feet there. So taking it easy for a second, and then we'll get back into it. Also, I know I caught traffic some, and I don't want to catch them through the switchbacks down here. Turning around was the best decision so far. This is outstanding. All my temps, oil pressure, and everything look as good as they can. These gauges are essentially dummy lights. Car pulling out behind me, a front wheel drive Chevy, they'll probably catch me and be around my butt because they know the road really well. Okay, coming down to the switchbacks. Hard on the brake, get third. I could get too much speed here, so I'm kind of keeping it in check. And another brake, heel and toe here down to third. Still in the brake, getting it around the corner. Man, that was fun. Hope I kept it above 20. Oh my gosh. Like, it's hard to believe that there would be packages that are better. This thing handles so stupid well. And it's only 260 horse. If I had a lot more horsepower, you know, I could probably get myself in trouble coming out of these corners. And maybe it's just to my skill level, but it's good, guys. Really could have used third for that corner, but to get third there would be to have to shift down in a bad spot and possibly upset the car. So that's not what we want to do. I don't know this corner. I don't know this. Okay, here we go. Yeah. A little bit of brake. Very good. I'm not heating up the brakes as much. Man. There we go. And there's another U-turn down here. I'm feeling a little shudder in the rear, so I'm just going to take it easy through this one. Still was on the brakes a bit. Not going to dive on them hard though at the end. Goodness. That was, oh my gosh, that was fun. The car stays nice and flat through the corners. I'm telling you guys, it's good. It's good. It also takes smooth driving, right? You can't be an idiot and be out here doing stupid stuff. Like, there were a couple shifts that I wanted to do that I didn't do because I was not in a good position to do the shift without, got into the bump stop a little bit there, without possibly upsetting the balance of the car. I think that local car is finally catching me. They didn't catch me through the corners though. Don't know if you guys will be able to see it or even hear me on this, but yeah, you can see the mountains up there, the ridges, and really, really beautiful drive that was. Oh my gosh. My ears still haven't popped from coming down. They're hurting, and I can feel the pressure on them. That was so much fun. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. This is amazing. This car handles good. This car handles really well. I won't hear it from anybody that it doesn't. It's a good car. Check out the merch store. We got the cheap old merch, and that's what I'm going to call it, even though it's probably a horrible name. It's good stuff. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.